नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं टीवीसी गुरु क्लासेज। आज आपका फिर से एक नई वीडियो में स्वागत है। आज हम टीजीटी आर्ट्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर सन 2002 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 101 से लेकर 200 तक डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। डायरेक्शंस: फाइंड द राइट वर्ड इन द क्वेश्चन विच कैन बी सब्स्टिट्यूटेड फॉर द गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 101: one who has a good taste for food and enjoys it। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 102: ए पर्सन हु इज फॉन्ड ऑफ फाइटिंग। इट्स राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 103: ए पर्सन हु गोज ऑन हॉर्स बैक। इट्स राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी। Now directions for question number 104 to 113. In the following passage, there are 10 blanks, each of which is numbered. Find the right choice from the alternatives given against the respective number. Each blank corresponds to the same question number. The dash of co-education in India has been dash kind. In the northern part of our country, there are a dash number of co-education schools, while in the southern part, the dash of unisex schools are more. This is also true for the rural India, where the rural masses are both boys and girls dashed together. The aim of co-education is to provide dash and learning atmosphere for the boys and girls under one roof. However, many people who did not dash this system of education are of the opinion that this system is not dash. They feel that co-education is an dash phenomenon. Now question number 104. Its right answer is option number A, story. 105. Its right answer is option number A, mixed. Question number 106. Its right answer is option number A, large. Question number 107. Its right answer is option number C, number. Question number 108. Its right answer is option number A, studying. Question number 109. Its right answer is option number D, basically. Question number 110. Its right answer is option number C, teaching. Question number 111. Its right answer is option number C, paver. Question number 112. Its right answer is option number D, good. Question number 113. Its right answer is option number A, urban. Now directions for question number 114 to 117. You have to rearrange the given four sentences A, B, C and D to make a meaningful paragraph so as to answer these questions. A. That responsibility rests upon this assembly, a sovereign body representing the sovereign people of India. B. Some of these pains continue even now. C. Freedom and power bring responsibility. D. Before the birth of freedom, we have endured all the pains of labor, and our hearts are heavy with the memory of this sorrow. Question number 114. Which of the given sentences should be in the first sentence? Its right answer is option number C. Question number 115. Which of the given sentences should be the second sentence? Its right answer is option number A. Question number 116. Which of the given sentence should be the third sentence? Its right answer is option number B. Question number 17. Which of the given sentences should be the fourth sentence? Its right answer option number D. Now directions for question number 118 to 120. In these questions, find the antonyms of the given words. Question number 18. Headless. Its right answer is option number D. Pinnacle. Question number 119. Inept. Its right answer is option number D. Fitting. Question number 120. Maneuver. Its right answer is option number C. Now question number 121. Which of the following is not a personal characteristics of a good teacher? Its right answer is option number A. Making cheap jokes in the class. Question number 122. The most undesirable person qualities in a teacher are option number B. Rude behavior and lack of humor. Question number 123. Which of the following come in the category of mass media? Its right answer is option number B. Charts. सॉरी इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी है, रेडियो टेलीविजन न्यूज़पेपर एट्सेट्रा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 124. वर्क एक्सपीरियंस रिलेट एजुकेशन टू। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी। प्रोडक्टिविटी फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ बोथ द इंडिविजुअल एंड सोसाइटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 125. Vocationalization of secondary education as an important aim was recommended by. Its right answer is option number A. Secondary Education Commission 1952. Question number 126. Vocationalization of education implies. Its right answer is option number A. Giving a strong vocational bias to secondary education. Question number 127. In the life of majority of Indians is a great motivating force. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, रिलीजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 128. व्हाट इज करिकुलम? इट्स राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ए वेल प्लान्ड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एक्टिविटीज एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस इनसाइड द आउटसाइड ऑफ द क्लासरूम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 129. द इसेंस ऑफ टीचिंग लर्निंग इज। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बैलेंस्ड इंटरएक्शन बिटवीन स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीचर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 130. गिव टीचर्स यूजुअली गुड टीचर्स यूजुअली। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, मेंटेन ए रिस्पेक्टेबल डिस्टेंस विद देयर स्टूडेंट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 131. हाउ विल यू डेवलप सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन इन द स्टूडेंट्स? इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बाय गिविंग देम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 132. To maintain good relations with other teachers you will. Its right answer is option number C, cooperate with them. Question number 133. For maintaining a good relations with our colleagues we should. Its right answer is option number A, share their troubles and joys. Question number 139. In psychology learning stands for. Its right answer is option number C, changing the behavior. Question number 135. Why is teaching inclination aptitude test necessary at B.Ed entrance examination? Its right answer is option number B. This reveals one's tendency to teaching. Question number 136. On the average, a child starts to respond to simple verbal names at approximately. Its right answer is option number A, third month. Question number 137. According to our constitution, secondary education, school education is responsibility of the. Its right answer is option number C, municipalities and local boards. Now question number 138. The current national policy on education was formed during the prime ministership of. Its right answer is option number C, Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 139. Stagnation in the context of primary education means. Its right answer is option number C, grade repetition. Now question number 140. What type of dress should a teacher wear in the class? Its right answer is option number A, He should wear a simple, sober, and clean dress. Question number 141. Pick out the odd one out. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी. द बेस्ट टीचर इज द वन हु इंस्पायर्स. Question number 142. Which two languages are taught as mother tongue in MP? Its right answer is option number B. Hindi, Urdu. Question number 143. As a teacher, how will you utilize your leisure time? Its right answer is option number C. By studying useful books on education. Question number 144. Which social quality enhances the respect of a teacher? Its right answer is option number C. Community service. Question number 145. A good teacher can create even a university under the trees. A typical example is. Its right answer is option number B. Question number 146. Where was the first teachers training college established in India? Its right answer is option number C. Madras. Question number 147. How will you start teaching a new topic? Its right answer is option number B. By giving the students a test of their previous knowledge and basing your teaching on it. Question number 148. The most important quality in student is. Its right answer is option number A. Original and independent thinking. Question number 149. Teachers who play with the student on the playground are. Its right answer is option number A. Popular among the students. Question number 150. What type of atmosphere is good for classroom teaching? Its right answer is option number B. Peaceful. Question number 151. Himachal literally means. Its right answer is option number A. Land of snowy mountains. Question number 152. Which of the following countries lies to the east of Himachal Pradesh? Its right answer is option number D. Tibet. Question number 153. Which state is located to the north of Himachal Pradesh? Its right answer is option number A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 154. To which direction of Tibet Himachal Pradesh is located? Its right answer is option number C. Question number 155. Himachal Pradesh is located to the dash of Jammu Kashmir. Its right answer is option number B. Question number 156. Which state is located to the south of Himachal Pradesh? Its right answer is option number D. Question number 157. Which of the following states is located in the southeast of Himachal Pradesh? Its right answer is option number C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 158. The state located in the west of Himachal Pradesh is. Its right answer is option number A. Question number 159. The altitude in Himachal Pradesh is varying from. Its right answer is option number C. 350 meters to 7,000 meters. Question number 160. Which of the following territorial zones is known as Alpine Zone? Its right answer is option number D. Question number 161. Which of the following district is fully located in the Shivalik Hills? Its right answer is option number B. Unna. Question number 162. Which of the following district does not touch Shivalik Hills? Its right answer is option number A. Shimla. Question number 163. To which direction of Haryana Himachal Pradesh is located? Its right answer is option number B. North. Question number 164. To which direction of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh is located? Its right answer is option number D. Question number 165. By what name Shivalik Hills were known to the ancient? Its right answer is option number A. Manak Parbat. Question number 166. What percent of Indian land is under forest? Its right answer is option number D. 22.80. Question number 167. Swaraj Party was formed in the year. Its right answer is option number A. 1923. Question number 168. Bardoli Satyagraha is associated with. Its right answer is option number B. Sardar Patel. Question number 169. Gandhiji called of non-cooperation movement. Its right answer is option number A. Due to violence at Chorachori. Question number 170. On which river is the Nagarjuna Sagar project situated? Its right answer is option number B. Krishna. Now question number 171. In Indus Valley civilization is about. Its right answer is option number A. 5000 years old. Question number 172. A secular state. Its right answer is option number D. Leaves religion and the individual conscience. Question number 173. Which meridian is known as the international date line? Its right answer is option number C. 180 degree. Question number 174. The charter of the UNO was drawn and signed by. Its right answer is option number B. 51 nations. Question number 175. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is. Its right answer is option number D. Port Blair. Question number 176. Illiteracy in India is largely due to. Its right answer is option number B. Poverty of people. Question number 177. The Jain temples in Mount Abu were built by the ministers of. Its right answer is option number C. Rashtrakoot rulers. Question number 178. The headquarters of Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific is situated at. Its right answer is option number C. Bangkok. Question number 179. The book Indica was written by. Its right answer is option number D. Megasthenes. Question number 180. The capital of Magad Kingdom was. Its right answer is option number B. पाटलिपुत्र. प्रश्न नंबर 181 है स्वर संधि के कितने भेद हैं? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी 5. प्रश्न नंबर 182 है व्यंजन संधि के कितने भेद हैं? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी इनमें से कोई नहीं. प्रश्न नंबर 183. हरिश्चंद्र ने अपना सारा दान दे डाला. डैश के रिक्त स्थान में बनने के लिए उपयुक्त शब्द है ऑप्शन नंबर सी राज्य. प्रश्न नंबर 184. काल सबको डैश जाता है के रिक्त स्थान में बनने के लिए उपयुक्त शब्द है. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए खाए. प्रश्न नंबर 185. वाच्य के कितने भेद हैं? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी 3. प्रश्न नंबर 186. पदबंध में कितने भेद हैं? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी 5. प्रश्न नंबर 187. अर्थ की दृष्टि से क्रिया के कितने भेद हैं? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी 2. प्रश्न नंबर 188. नी जमा जन की संधि है. इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी निर्जन. प्रश्न नंबर 189. मेरा सिर खुजलाता है इनमें से कौन सी क्रिया है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी प्रेरणार्थक. प्रश्न नंबर 190. मैं सिर खुजलाता हूँ, इनमें से कौन सी क्रिया है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, सक्रमक। प्रश्न नंबर 191, आचार्य शिष्य से पुस्तक पढ़वाते हैं, इनमें से कौन सी क्रिया है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया। प्रश्न नंबर 192, रूढ़ि शब्द इनमें से कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, आम। प्रश्न नंबर 193, रूढ़ि शब्द इनमें से कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, सड़क। प्रश्न नंबर 194, भौतिक शब्द इनमें से कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, पुस्तकालय। प्रश्न नंबर 195, यौगिक शब्द इनमें से कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रसोई घर। प्रश्न नंबर 196, योग रूढ़ि शब्द इनमें से कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, लंबोदर। प्रश्न नंबर 197, इनमें से भाववाचक संज्ञा कौन सी है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, मिठास। प्रश्न नंबर 198, इनमें से सर्वनाम शब्द कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, इसे। प्रश्न नंबर 199, इनमें से विशेषण शब्द कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दयालु। प्रश्न नंबर 200, इनमें से क्रिया शब्द कौन सा है? इसका सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, भागना। दोस्तों, ये था टीजीटी आर्ट्स सन 2002 का कमीशन का क्वेश्चन पेपर, जिसके हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर 200 तक 2 पार्ट में कर लिए हैं। इसी प्रकार के प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर को देखने के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।